Thank you very much for the introduction, and thank you very much for the opportunity that I can pitch here. My name is Simon Maranda. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Cowa Thermal Solutions. We're a spin-off of the University of Lucerne in Switzerland, and we developed the world's most compact thermal energy storage for residential heating applications, the compact cell. Yeah, the heating sector is under pressure. Decarbonization is urgently needed. You're aware of that, since it accounts for almost 50% of the overall energy demand, so it's due to heating and domestic hot water. And all over the world, it's mainly driven by fossil fuels. It's here in Germany, also in Switzerland, gas and oil heating systems are really the main energy source. But luckily, the renovation wave is starting and decarbonization is starting. And the system that is prevailing out there are heat pumps, frequently combined with rooftop PV. And in the cities, it's a lot of thermal grids that are getting more and more popular, where you have central heat pump and the heat is distributed in the city. And in these renewable-driven heating systems, the thermal energy storage really plays a key role, since it allows to couple the mismatch between demand and supply of thermal energy. So every heat pump needs a thermal energy storage for the heating or for domestic hot water. So it's really a key technology in these systems. And today's solution are large water tanks. So water is heated up and cooled down. That's how we store thermal energy. And the disadvantage is obviously it's the low energy density, leading to large storage volumes. So that's really one of the main obstacles in transferring these renewable heating systems into the city where space is limited, is the size of the large storage units. And that's where we come into the game. At Cowa, we have developed the compact cell, a very compact thermal energy storage for heat pumps, which is up to 5 times more compact. So you see on the bottom right, you see the comparison. In a heat pump system, you often have 2 storages, one for the heating, one for domestic hot water, and we can supply the same solution, but in much more compact form. The core of our technology is the storage material. So we are not using water to store energy, but a phase change material. So by exploiting the phase change from solid to liquid and vice versa, we can store a lot of energy in a small volume. So that's the key for our compactness. So when we charge the system, the material is melted, and when we discharge it, it solidifies. And really, it's this phase transition that makes it possible to reach this high energy density and to deliver at the end this compactness. The materials we are using are based on salt hydrates. So they're normally used as food additives, so they're non-toxic, they come at low costs, and they're recyclable. The benefits of the compact cell is definitely the compactness, so that's the main argument, but it also comes with a very high efficiency because we have low surface, very low losses. If we use it as thermal energy storage for domestic hot water, it's a very hygienic storage because water is heated up on demand, so it's not stored. There's no stagnatic water. It is heated up on demand, so no risk for Legionella. And as I said, the materials we are using are recyclable, so we have here a very sustainable storage solution. We reached the market entry in 24. We have around 50 systems installed. They're storing energy every day. And our core customers, our target customers, are manufacturers of heat pump systems and reseller of heat pump systems, because that's the way to scale for scalability. And we're very proud that we have now a contract with the largest reseller in Switzerland. And we also have customers, global players, world-leading players, manufacturers in Germany, also now in Japan, and the first one in Canada. So they're buying our system, they're doing their pilot campaign, and that's really our way forward for scalability. Yes, I truly believe that the decarbonization, especially of cities, of urban areas like Berlin here, needs smart hardware solution. We need to focus also on the hardware. And I believe that with the compact cell, we have developed a key technology that enables a fast transition from fossil-driven heating systems towards renewable heating system, and that's our goal, and that's what motivates our company every day. Thank you very much.